Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see how we can remove or delete a specific calculated field or multiple calculated fields from data source in Looker or Data Studio. So most often what happens is that our requirements get changed while we are developing our dashboards, and once our dashboard is completed, then ideally what we should do is that we should remove those fields or those calculated fields which are not getting used in our dashboard, because those calculated fields will take some space and it will make your dashboard slower if your dashboard has huge data. So it's always suggested that whenever you're not using any calculated field, then you should ideally remove it or delete it from your data source section. So in this Looker page, I have three different calculated fields which I had created in my previous videos as an example. Now what I need to do over here is that based on my requirement, I just need to remove or delete those calculated fields. Then what I can do is that I can go and click on edit. Once I click on edit, then you will see in your data section all of those calculated fields which you have created. It will be highlighted in a different color. As you can see over here, the first 5 fields which you see over here is from data source. Then this record count is the calculated field which gets created once you load your data by default by Looker. Then these 3 columns, total sold item, variance of unit price, and variance of unit price 2, these 3 columns I had created in my previous videos. Now I just need to remove these 3 columns so that the execution of my dashboard is faster. And from another perspective, if I think I don't want to get confused when I open this dashboard to edit in near future, and I'm in dilemma that why these calculated fields I had created and where it is getting used. So it's always suggested that whenever you're not using any calculated field in your dashboard, you should remove it. Now in order to remove these calculated fields, what you can do is that basically you can come under this setup section and you will see this option data source. Within this data source, you have this data source which you are using in your Looker dashboard page, and within this data source you have to make sure that these fields have been created, because most often what happens is that when you are creating a complex data studio report, then you're using multiple data sources, right? So you have to make sure that when you are removing those calculated field, you have this data source from which these fields were created, and then you have to click on this pencil button. Once you click on this pencil button, it will allow you to edit the data source. Then as the next step, you have to click on reconnect. Then you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you will see that you have this option where Data Studio is showing you fields, type, and default aggregation description. But most often what happens is that when your data source is lighter, it doesn't have much data, then Data Studio mostly takes you directly to this section where you can see fields, type, and default aggregation. And if you scroll down, you will see matrices or your dimensions which you have created as a calculated field, and you have 3 dots over here, right? So for example, I need to delete these 3 calculated fields. So in front of these 3 fields, you will see these 3 dots. For each and every field, you will see 3 dots, right? So if you click on these 3 dots, the first option is duplicate. We do not want to duplicate this calculated field, we just want to remove it, right? So you can click on remove and you will see that this calculated field has been removed, right? Similarly, if you want to remove these fields, you can click on these 3 dots and click on remove. And once you're done with deleting or removing those calculated fields, then you can click on finish. And once you click on finish, then you will see that all of those calculated fields which you have removed has been deleted from your data section. You cannot see those fields over here. So this is how basically you can delete or remove the calculated fields which you have created in your data source in Looker. Happy learning and see you in the next video.